Welcome to the Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and today I'm going to be changing the battery on my 2007 Mercedes C280. Thanks for joining me. I'm going to go ahead and get this battery changed, so let's go ahead and get started. So we'll go ahead and open up the hood. Now the battery should have a cover. Unfortunately it does not, but there should be a cover that goes over it. It would have two clips similar to what's on the other side. And these clips just twist off, and then this cover comes off. But this car does not have that cover. I'm not replacing it because it is dead. However, if you see the date code on there, it is from 2019. So I don't want to end up having problems with this down the road. It is an EverStart, which is a Walmart battery. So we jokingly call these never starts, but yeah, I'm actually a little surprised that here we are in 2025 and I've got a battery in here from 2019. So I'll go ahead and get these cables disconnected, and then this should lift right out. So we'll start with the ground or the negative battery cable. That is a 10 millimeter. And we're just going to loosen that up. Alright, then we'll take the cable off of the battery. Then we'll come over to the positive, and that is a 10 millimeter. Alright, we'll take that off of there. And then down there, I don't know if you can see it or not, but there is a battery hold down. That is a 13 millimeter. And so, I'll go ahead and got a 13 millimeter socket on an extension. Put that down there and loosen that up. Alright, and then there's one on the other side too. I don't know if you can see that or not. I don't even see it back there, but it is back there somewhere. 13 mil. Oh, maybe I'll go here. Maybe that'll get some video. I don't know. Well, I was able to feel the bolt back there. I couldn't see it, but I'm getting the little hold down off of there. Alright, so you do have to lift this bracket out. I don't know if you can see it. I'm grabbing it from back there, and there we go. And there's the hold down bracket. Now this will just lift right out. Or should lift right out. God dang. Come on, you. yeah, that was a lot of fun. Put a little vent on here, I think. And get the hold down bracket down in there. You probably can't see it, but it's down in there. You can probably see this side a little better. All right. Well, could not film the back one, but I'm getting the front one here, I think. Get that hold down on there, get that nice and snug. And then I just gotta hook up the cables here. You start with the positive. And that one's a 10 millimeter on the positive. Alright, then we'll put the positive on over here. Then we'll put the ground on. Alright, and we're done. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, give it a like, share, comment, and subscribe. I'd like to thank you for watching The Garage USA. I'm Jonathan Brinke, and I'll see you next time.